17 feet. It might have been only about 10 or 11. A good quality chance there for Kruger.
You can find the AT&T Uverse lines. They'll be at the top of your screen. And now Nash for Carolina, able to clear it to center ice.
All the changes. Players in and out. New line combination here with Richards, Bickle, and Teravainen playing the right side.
Well, based on the morning skate today, Teuvo Teravainen didn't think he was going to be playing. He skated a lot extra after. And when the morning skate finished, the trade had not yet been made for Ben Smith yet. So Smith practice was, it looked like he was going to be in the lineup tonight. Then all of a sudden he gets shipped to San Jose, and Teuvo gets a call, and he's in the lineup, as Eddie said, with Richards and Bickle.
Well, that happened to me, Pat, at the end of my career. I got skated in the morning, and our pal Denny Savard was the assistant coach at that particular time, puts me through the paces, and wasn't playing that night, and found myself walking into the United Center at 7 o'clock for the 7:30 game, and they said, oh, by the way, you're playing.
What? Did a big load of garbanzos after him? Or
a couple of tickets in my pocket that weren't very good, but yeah, didn't have any warm-ups at all. Just showed up, and I think Daze, big Eric Daze had fallen injured in the right before the warm-up. His back was acting up, so got a chance to go out and play, and didn't help the team. We lost to LA that night 5-1, but I had my guy, just for the record. So that was one I'll never forget, though, walking in the building and saying you're playing. So that happens. Yeah, exactly. That's exactly. If there's any reaction to the people that were sitting in my seats that night, were like, we were just with you 20 minutes ago and you're playing.
All right, now Shaw rolls it in. Shaw on the right side at the start of the game tonight with Kruger and Nordstrom. The Canes. Jordan Stahl dumped it. Rosendahl back. Checked by Eric Stahl. Shaw rolled it up to Kruger. Now put it on the stick of Chalmerson. Nick Chalmerson has had 11 shot blocks in his last 4 games. He'll be 5 out. That's an inadvertent shot block. Shot block by York.